It's time for today's kitchen, and we're getting saucy with mussels made two ways.
And since no one really wants to deal with a counter full of pots and pans and clean up during the week, Chef Robert Wiedmeyer, the owner of both Mussel Bar and Marcel's down in D.C., is here with a one-pot recipe.
One-pot recipe.
We're excited.
We're glad you're here.
You know what? I'm so excited to be here, ladies. This is unbelievable. So, but we're gonna do mussels here. So I brought two different types of mussels. I have mussels from Penn Cove in Washington State. They're domestic mussels.
Yeah.
We have their Penn Cove, and then we have their Mediterranean, they call.
What's the difference, would you say, taste-wise?
Well, taste-wise, one's a little bit sweeter right now. The Mediterranean, the Penn Cove really come into their own in the end of March.
Because it's a seasonal thing.
It's a seasonal thing. Mussels change all the time. So,
and this
my
one's
mussels do.
And this one's crazy about mussels.
Well,
I do like mussels. I do. I didn't originally. It was an acquired taste, but now that I've acquired it, I love them.
Mussels and Chardonnay go very well together.
Yes, they do.
Right,
So,
let's
what we're going to do here is we got shallots, we got garlic, I got a little olive oil we're going to put in here.
Cook it up, baby.
Because what we want to do is we want to sweat this, or we just want to just look at a little translucent.
Sweat this. We've never heard
Lots
of
of
that.
garlic.
Lots.
Okay. Lots of
You know, we
garlic.
walked in the kitchen, just the smell of all these fresh,
so delicious.
fresh
just let
greens
that
is
go like this
amazing.
a little
Now,
bit.
picking mussels, is there a way to pick ones that
Yes.
that are good and not great?
One mussel in a pot will ruin the whole game. Okay,
One bad one?
Yeah, one bad one. So if you have
Okay.
one bad
How do
mussel,
you know
in
Now,
there-
I thought it tell us if this is true. If it doesn't open, don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
If you have to force it open, that's God
If you
saying
have to
it's
force
going to
it-
make you sick, right?
if you have to force it open, you don't want to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so here we
I don't
go.
know what's going on,
Okay.
but something's weird.
So yeah, it should open up naturally, and then they're delicious. Okay.
Yes.
So we got roasted tomatoes.
Yep.
Tomatoes been roasted off with rosemary, garlic, and so on. We're gonna add capers to this.
Good.
Okay, a little bit of capers. We're
Little
gonna add a little bit of vermouth.
Really?
A little bit of vermouth. I love vermouth.
Just because he can.
Because I
you
can.
want to.
I love vermouth.
And all the alcohol gets burned off anyway, just leaving a little taste, right? Don't burn all of it.
Just a little bit. So then we're
Don't
gonna let
burn it
that.
all.
Now we're gonna add the mussels here. Okay, here we go. So we're just gonna have. You want to throw those in there?
I'd love to.
You want to please put those in there?
Gusto, Hoda woman.
There we go. Good. Okay.
And is
So
this
Hoda's got
cayenne?
that. Now
It's
this is
paprika.
Espelette pepper.
What?
Espelette
that's
pepper.
too much.
Okay.
All right,
Now we're not
no,
going to put all that in there. We're just going to put a little bit.
Espelette. I don't think I've ever heard of that. Is it?
Well, you know, I'd let you stick your finger in there, but it might be
burn it?
too hot. Okay.
Espelette.
Now all we're going to do here is very easy.
More vermouth.
Figures. Okay.
Okay. Is put that on top of that. And we're going to take this pod here.
What is in this
And
pot?
we've already got this one cooking. So
Okay.
so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this. We just transfer this over here.
How long does it take for
Okay.
this to pop open?
About 3 minutes.
Okay.
And then what you have here, okay,
look
is the
at
mussels.
that.
Okay.
Look at them.
We're gonna add fresh basil. Would you like to add the
Yes,
basil?
yes,
Just
yes.
sprinkle that in there.
Okay.
Lots of basil. Go all the way around.
All of it. I love fresh basil.
And we have that in there.
And the way that you know that they're cooked is just when they pop open, that's it?
When they open up, you don't want to cook them much longer than that.
Okay.
Okay. Now the beauty of these now is they're ready to eat.
And then
Okay.
it's the dipping with the bread. I do miss
So-
the bread. I
Bread
miss.
dipping.
Oh, look how great that one looks.
See, and then we're gonna just take a little bit here.
Oh.
And then you can take this bread, okay? Oh,
She
you try
can't-
the first
can't
one.
have the bread. I get the first
Okay.
one. You give her the first
No,
one.
you-
she's
you
done.
get the bread.
you ready?
No,
I
she
just
loves
don't-
the bread.
I just don't want to burn you.
It's gonna be hot.
Okay, it's gonna be a
Good.
little hot.
Then she tries the first one.
Oh my
Good.
God.
Okay.
Okay. Now what's cool to do with this now is
Wait,
you
we've
take-
got 30 seconds.
You rub the
You know
garlic
that?
on this bread.
Okay.
Okay. You rub the garlic on the bread.
Ooh, that's
roasted
smart.
garlic.
Yep.
And then you dip that
Give
in
her
here.
Look at all
big old
this.
one. Big old one.
What's happening back here?
We have
Pizza?
little pizzas.
Okay. Voila. Try that.
Oh, yeah. You,
Okay.
Wait, just look right here.
Now-
Look
It's
what's
perfect,
happening.
Hoda. Eat
Okay,
it,
we
baby.
got to go.
Eat it.
And these are the tart flambés. Okay, that we make at the restaurant here. You come over here.
What are those
Boom.
called? Flambés?
Tart flambés are basically pizzas, Gruyere cheese, bacon, and onions.
You are adorable.
Okay.
Come
love
back
you.
Well,
anytime.
I'd love to.
Okay?
I'd love to come
Adorable.
back.
Thank you so much.